So um mostly so mostly use blocks in the architecture of the 8051 is what is shown in figure 2.1. So let's imagine the 8051 microcontroller as a magical robot castle. Here's how we can think about each part in a fun, childlike way. So, the CPU, this is like the robot king in the center of the castle. He makes all the important decisions and tells everyone what to do. Now we have the interrupt controller. These are like the castle guards who watch for special messages or visitors. When something important happens, they quickly tell the robot king. Now the on-chip room. This is the castle's library where all the robot's favorite stories and instructions are kept. The robot king can read these anytime he wants. Now we go on to the on-chip RAM. Think of this as the robot's notebook. He can write things down to remember them for a short time, like what he had for breakfast. Now I have the timer O and timer I. Timer 0 and timer 1. These are like the two magical clocks in the castle. They help the robot king know when it's time to do certain tasks. Then we have the OSC oscillator. This is the robot's heartbeat. It keeps everything in the castle moving at the right speed. Then we have the bus control. Imagine this as the castle's hallways. It helps all the different parts of the castle talk to each other. Then we go to the 4 IO ports. P port 1, port 2, port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. These are like the castle's windows and doors. The robots can look out to see what's happening outside or let information come in. Then we have the serial port. This is like a special mailbox where the robots can send and receive secret messages to other robot castles. Now we have the address slash data. So the address slash data is like the castle's address and the information it shares with the outside world. So all these parts work together to make all these parts work together to make sorry all these parts work together to make our robot castle smart and helpful. The robot king CPU uses the library, the room, notebook, the RAM, and clocks into brackets timers to do all sorts of amazing things. The guards into brackets interrupt control make sure nothing important is missed. And through the windows and the mailbox into brackets the IO host and the serial port, our robot castle can interact with the big world outside.